This oversized bottle brush comes in so handy in our kitchen. How many times have you had something like a carafe, such as this one, and the dirt is down at the bottom and you can't get to it? Well, this brush is long, thin, but the bristles are nice and long and soft. So as you can see, it gets down in those corners in a carafe, which is super handy. This would also be really great for baby bottles. Like I said, the bristles are soft, but quite long. I mean, that's a pretty good size vase, and the handle as well, super long. So here's the carafe, there's the handle. This is just a basic wine carafe, and that gives you an idea of just how long this brush is. Highly recommend. We use it all the time in our kitchen. It lives under the sink. If you'd like to get yours, use the link in the description below. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.